we're going to continue with our Microsoft Word tutorial, and this time we are going to learn see what the file option, file icon has. Alright, so the recap: during the first lesson we learned how the various sections of Microsoft Word, and discovered that there are over 8 sections of Microsoft Word. So we are going to start with the file here. What is file section? The file section will be the first section that you are using each time you want to open a new document. Alright, so you're going to click on that file section to open. So you see save. Now you have save as, you have open, close, you have recent. Okay, I explained before that something like recent, it means the other documents that you have done. You can see them. They are the recent documents. Alright, so Microsoft Word saved them. Now when you click save, when you click on file after to save, the first thing that you want to do is to go to new. Alright, when you go to new, click new, that means you have to start a new document. These are all different types of documents that you have. Now if you have the Microsoft package itself that you bought, okay, all these documents will be given you. So you have agendas, you have award certificates, so you can do award certificates, you can do brochures, budgets, business cards, calendars. So you can design a calendar, diagrams, many things that you can, depending on the job that you are doing. So if you want, say, calendar, you want to design a calendar on Microsoft Word, you just go to calendar, you click on it, you open, and then you do your calendar, right? Okay, but that's not our main concern for now. So once you click on new, click on blank template. Alright, so say blank template, click on blank template. Alright, okay, if you go to file, the first thing that you want to do is to save. Click on save. When you click on save, it opens as document 2. This is the file name. File name is showing document 2. Use your backspace to delete it, and then you write the file name. Let us call it, let us put it in capital letters. So you press your caps, alright, your cap lock, and write my first. Then let us call it file. Let's just call it file. So you have the save as type. You are saving it as one document. Now where do you want to save it? Where do you want to save it? Is it in this PC? Is it this object? Whatever. So you are saving it where you want to remember. So you want to save the documents, right? So you click on documents and then you click save. So whenever you want this file, you are going to go to document and you find it there. Alright. Okay, so let us go back to file and go to save. When you click save as, it will open as the same thing. The name is already there. Okay. Now the difference between save as, go back to file, the difference between save as and save is that with this save, you always use it when you're typing. When you're typing anything that you're typing, you want to save. So you just click save, you now save it back. Alright, you don't need to go back to write the name. Now I said this open here means you want to open a document. These are documents here. So if I want to open any of these documents, I'll click on the document. For example, cover page. I'll click on cover page, then I click open. It's going to open that document here on Microsoft Word. Are you seeing? This was done on Microsoft Word. This is the cover page. Alright. Yeah. So that is it. You have to open a document, you should place it so that you can start all over. Okay, so let us go back to file. And if you click close, normally you are closing it, right? Close that document, you should open. You have back this blank document. And you go to info here, that is the info that it shows you information about the Microsoft Word. Now I said recent, you know what recent is. You are going back to look at the document that you have created. Now print, when we do printing, I'll show you how to use print. This is when you are done with the document and you have to print. I'll show you that later. Then you have save and send. So you want to send, when you click save and send, you want to send using email, so you can send directly to you. You want to save it to your website, you want to save to and so on, publish your blog post. So you can always do that. So in case you are writing an email, you want to send this document as an email, then you're going to just click on it, send as email. Alright, when you click on send as email, send using email. Attach a copy of this document to an email. So you click on it. When you click on it, you will go to the email that you want to send. Alright, so see, this cannot go because you need internet. Alright, so let's go back to them send. And then when you need problems, you have any problem, you can click on help. Alright, click on help, and then you can ask any question here. Then if you go to option, this is not really that so much important. Alright, okay, so if you go to file, you notice that the most important thing that you need is save as, open, resend, new, print, save and send. Okay, yeah, so with this, so during the next lesson, let me begin a recap. Instead of save here, save the document. The save as also plays the same role, but you always use this save as when you're done with an email. Okay, while you'll be using this save periodically to save pieces of content that you're writing on the document. To open means to open a new, to open another file which another document which you already created. Close is to close that document which you've opened. Resend is to check the recent documents that you've done. Alright. Okay, so we'll head to the next lesson where we're going to see the home tab.